So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with in-suite laundry here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to where it says rent and then select your city. So I'll just go ahead and use New York City for this example. If all is good, press on the search icon. Now, once you're here, go to filters here in the top, then scroll down to where it says amenities. Make sure that in-suite washer and dryer or in-suite laundry is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different listings here that offer in-suite laundry. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can view rentals or find rentals with in-suite laundry here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.